Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about BSc third sem from organic chemistry, organometallic compound. As name indicates, organometallic compounds. Then what is organometallic compound? The organometallic compounds are the compound in which the carbon atom is directly attached to metal vessel. Is called organometallic compound. In organometallic compound, the metal is directly bonded with the carbon atom of the hydrocarbon. Such compounds are called organometallic compounds. In organometallic compound, is carbon is more electronegative compared to the metal atom, because carbon is not an electronegative, but when you compare carbon with the metal atom, hence it becomes more electronegative compared to the metal atom. Hence the carbon atom acquire slightly negative charge and metal atom gets slightly positive charge. Hence these are organometallic compounds are the polar in nature. It is an organometallic compound. In organometallic compounds, already you know, it is a compound. It is a compound in which metal atom is directly attached to carbon atom of hydrocarbon. And organometallic compounds, again these are classified into two types. First one is simple organometallic compound, and second one is mixed organometallic compound. In organometallic compound, we can see two types of organometallic compound: simple organometallic compound and mixed organometallic compound. Then what is simple organometallic compound? Simple organometallic compound means carbon is attached to metal atom, but when it is simple, the metal attached to carbon atom, this carbon atom is again attached to the hydrogen, only hydrogen atom. Such type of organometallic compounds are called simple organometallic compound. Then what is mixed organometallic compound? Mixed organometallic compound means in this carbon atom attached to metal atom along with other elements. What is the difference between simple and mixed? In simple, metal atom is attached to carbon atom and this carbon atom is attached to only hydrogen. But in mixture, the metal atom is attached to carbon atom along with the halogen. Such type of compounds are called mixed organometallic compounds. For example, Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium halide. It may be halide, it may be chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. It is called mixed organometallic compound. Example is Grignard reagent. For simple organometallic compound, example is methyl lithium. Here methyl group is attached to the lithium atom. And second example is CH3Zn, dimethyl zinc. These are the example of the simple organometallic compound. In BSc third sem, there is only in your syllabus only Grignard reagent is there, what is Grignard reagent? In your syllabus, only Grignard reagent is there. Grignard reagent. Its formula is RMgX. It is also called organomagnesium halide. Grignard reagent is called organomagnesium halide. It is organomagnesium halide, and it is obtained by, it is prepared by reacting alkyl halide with magnesium in dry ether. Grignard reagent is a organomagnesium halide and it is obtained by reacting alkyl halide with magnesium. Alkyl halide is reacted with magnesium in dry ether medium. For example, in general, alkyl halide means RX. It is reacted with magnesium in ether, in dry ether. When you react alkyl halide with magnesium, magnesium introduced between the alkyl and halogen to give Grignard reagent RMgX. It is a preparation of alkyl halide. For example, when you react magnesium chloride with, when you react methyl chloride with magnesium in ether, it gives methyl magnesium chloride. If you react ethyl bromide with magnesium, it gives, in ether media, it gives ethyl magnesium bromide. These are the examples. Similarly, if you react benzyl chloride with magnesium, it gives CH2MgCl, benzyl magnesium chloride. These are the Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents are prepared by the reacting alkyl halide with magnesium in dry ether. For example, alkyl halide is reacted with magnesium in ether. In this case, magnesium is introduced between the carbon and halogen. In between the carbon and halogen to give Grignard reagent. These are the examples. Next important part of your syllabus is synthetic applications of Grignard reagent. Synthetic applications of Grignard reagent. Synthetic applications of Grignard reagent. In that, first application is preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohol. In alcohol, first one is preparation of primary alcohol. You already know between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. In first step, you are going to prepare primary alcohol. In this method, primary alcohol is obtained by reacting Grignard reagent. It is obtained by reacting Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. For example, when you react methyl magnesium iodide with formaldehyde, it is called formaldehyde. In this, alkyl group of the Grignard reagent is attached to carbonyl carbon. At that time, this double bond shifted to oxygen, and then oxygen become negative, and it is formed complex with the magnesium halide. It gives additional compound O minus Mg. This is additional product, and this followed by undergoes acid hydrolysis. When it undergoes acid hydrolysis, this is become broken H and OH to give RCH2OH plus MgOH and I. This is our primary alcohol. Getting what? Preparation of primary alcohol, and primary alcohol is obtained by the reacting Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. In this, methyl magnesium iodide is reacted with formaldehyde, which gives additional product, and additional product further undergoes acid hydrolysis to give primary alcohol. Next one is B, preparation of secondary alcohol. Preparation of secondary alcohol. In secondary alcohol, it is obtained by reacting Grignard reagent with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Okay. Primary alcohol is prepared by reacting Grignard reagent with formaldehyde, but in secondary alcohol, these are prepared by reacting Grignard reagent with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. For example, if you react methyl magnesium iodide with acetaldehyde CH3 double bond OH. It is called acetaldehyde. Here again methyl group of Grignard reagent attached to carbonyl carbon. Same again it forms with complex with magnesium iodide. It gives additional product CH3 CH CH3 O minus MgI. This is called additional product. Again this is undergoes acid hydrolysis. Then again this bond is broken. Here hydrogen is added and this side OH group is added. Then final product is CH3 CH CH3 OH. This is called 2-propanol secondary alcohol plus Mg OH. This is preparation of secondary alcohol. In this methyl magnesium iodide Grignard reagent is reacted with aldehyde except formaldehyde. If we taken formaldehyde, it gives primary alcohol. Here we are going to take aldehyde, which is 2 carbon or 3 carbon. Acetaldehyde, it gives additional product and it is undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis to give final product, which is called secondary alcohol. Next we are going to discuss about preparation of tertiary alcohol. Preparation of tertiary alcohol. Preparation of tertiary alcohol. Here it is obtained by reacting Grignard reagent with ketones. Tertiary alcohol is obtained by reacting Grignard reagent with ketone. For example, methyl magnesium iodide is reacted with ketone. First member of ketone is acetone. It is reacted with acetone. Similar mechanism. Methyl group is attached to carbonyl carbon. Again it shifted to oxygen atom. Again oxygen is bonded with the magnesium iodide to give additional product CH3 CH3 O MgI. This is our additional product, and this is undergoes acid hydrolysis to give final product. Here it is undergo breaking, gives CH3 OH. This is our tertiary alcohol. These are the methods of synthetic application preparation of alcohol. Okay.